Okay, now we are at Tele2 Arena and we're gonna go inside and play pinball in O'Leary's place. Let's go. Tolv Stockholm. They not let me in. They let me in. They let me in 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and now it's 12. It's only 1. It's 1 hour until we can go in and play here. So we have to make a break. Yeah, now it's open. 1 hour later, a new try. Nu har många fickor. Det blir bra. Okay, now we change to coin. To poulets. 20 crown is 2 poulet. But what's a funny game? Dr. No, James Bond. We can take a little walk first. Walk in the park. This then, Pirates of Caribbean. Everybody is in a line now, all flipper. It's a lot of flipper games. It's the biggest flipper park in the whole Stockholm, I should say. Yeah, also 20. 2 poulet. 1 coin, 1 credit.
2 credits to start.
Okay. 1 credit to continue. Okay. And here you have a billiard tables. What's the name of this? Shuffleboard it is. Shuffleboard game. And yeah, here you can go play golf. No, this football. Oh, that's not bad. But it's too much football in this Euro Cup playing now also. And then we come to mini golf. And they make it like it's in Stockholm area. Here is Tele2 Arena. The roof is on. And this ship is I don't know what ship it is. And this is in the center of Stockholm, Sergels Torg, hall 4. And then come the famous Globe, of course. Hall 3. And then you have Stockholm Stadium. It's on Vallalavägen. Hall 5 is that. And here you have behind you have the Royal Palace. And then you have Stureplan, Hall 10, the swamp. And then you have downhill skiing. They have that in Hammarbybacken in south side of Stockholm. And then you have Kaknäs Tower. It's on Djurgården, number 7 hall. Very good. And this is Wennergren Center in the end of Sveavägen. What's this? What building is this? Ah, this is Stureplan, Spy Bar. That is the most exclusive nightclub in Sweden, the Spy Bar. Gratis är gott. Det är bowling här i också. Oj, she very good. But you cannot see much. $4.20 for 55 minutes. Not even an hour. I want to play this, it's the best one. Oh, it's not working. Oh. Iron Maiden. Oh. You decide, you decide. I was up there, I want to try. So we have something else. Something else to be Rush. Okay. We go this.
It's up.
You get a new ball, I think. Is that?